children. Today I will tell you a story about a rabbit and a lion. Once upon a time, there was a lion. He is so big lion. He ate animals every day. Sini pagi tiga kai, tiga meow, tiga dog, tiga elephant. One day, they sent a rabbit. The rabbit so frightened. I am so scared of the lion. I don't want to die. So I went to the lion. Kenapa ya lion? Oh rabbit aja. Lion. I saw a lion. Ayo kan lion. Con có quả bằng của mình. Lion. Hả? Lion không ngờ bông ngà. Lion đi cầm ngà. I am the king of the jungle. Jangan cerita lion yang ni. Bang oh, ya rabbit apa oh? Apa oh? Tak lion. Mendapat lion. Aku dulu oh apa oh? Hey, apa oh nak Hey, ha? Apa oh nak Oh, lion bang Rome. Apa oh nak ko? Rome. Apa mem tu? Apa oh nak ko? Apa mem tu? Kami. Tapi lihat ko, kami, bapa mi. Tapi lihat ko, bapa mi, cat. Tapi lihat ko, cat. Tapi lihat ko, tapi lihat ko. Baikku, saya lion, jam belum pun. Dokter demku, kita rabbit, yeah, amazing. They live happily ever after. Bye. I hope you like my story. See you again. Remember to like me, like my video, subscribe my channel. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye. God bless you.